Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So as you can see that today's video is going to be very interesting because I'm going to share some headphone stands with you, and these are DDhifi headphone stands, and its model number is HS270W. And previously the DDhifi headphone stands were expensive and their price was I think 85 US dollar, but this one is 45 and this is 39 US dollar. And this one is walnut color and this one is beige color. Well, let me share with you. So this is the product, and you can see that it has a light color which is beige, and this one is black color, a walnut and beige color. You may have saw my previous video which was Vio FT1 headphone video, and that was walnut too. So you can see this is a walnut headphone, so I wanted a walnut headphone stand for FT1 as well, so that's why I ordered these, and I think they are going to make me happy and satisfy me. So I think let's unbox this one first. So we have to make it ourselves, and I don't know how I will make it, but I will just try. Wow, you can see the finishing of this stand. It's absolutely gorgeous. So the things which we get here, wow, well, I was not expecting that the plate will be that big. It's actually big, and you can see it's so protective and beautiful, and the finishing is absolutely top class. So let's see how we will make it. So you have been given an instruction guide as well, which is good. So DDhifi is absolutely a blessing for audiophiles and audio industry. Well, I think I will take some time to understand it. Now I have actually understood it. First we have to do this, because it say that here screw is needed, so we have to do this first, and then make these two joint here, so you can see. And then I think so it has been now tightly fit. What do you think? Am I making it right? Well, I hope so. And then I don't know whether we need some these things. Well, it is saying, but I don't know. Let's check it if it works. Well, this is it. It works, but I think I am missing something which I don't know, and these two things. So here it is actually telling me something, so then I think I have to remake it and then I'll come back. Hi friends, so I have perfectly made this headphone stand, which is a light color, and now I'm going to unbox this one ASMR, and now you will also see that how it is made. So you can see friends that now the walnut headphone stand has also been made, and you have saw the process of it. So this one is $45 and this one is $40, but I have provided the discount codes in the top of my description, so you can use them, and it will help you a little bit. So what do you have to say about the quality of this walnut stand? Well, I am impressed, it's very good, but this one is absolutely top class. But I wanted this one specially for the FIO FT1. So let's check out the FIO FT1. This is, well, this is just for 1 second. This is it. The walnut cup headphone with walnut made headphone stand. So they look absolutely cool, and I think this will look very good in a coffee shop because like it has a beautiful vibe in it. What do you think, guys? So they both are matching in color, but they have a little bit difference in them, but not too much. But from the bottom I think they are much more similar, but they both are made from walnut. So actually I am absolutely loving the walnut headphones and the walnut wood stand as well. So you see, DDhifi is always there for you guys. So well, if you are interested, must check out the link in the description and order this. This is a very beautiful piece of art for me, and they are made very well. And this one is for FIO FT1 beige color, so that depends on you, but the FIO FT1 headphone is so great and now it has more vibe to it. Well, I will share some other shots with you guys as well, so you can check it for yourself. Friends, if you are really interested, I have provided the best discount codes possible in the description, and you can get these products at $5 discount, and you have to use the discount codes provided in the description. And there are other discount codes also which are valid for all the products on AliExpress in almost countries, so must use and enjoy them.